Hi guys, and happy Friday. Today is not a recipe, it's a DIY and it's something for food photographers. So I wanted to share with you how I made my wooden backdrops and my wooden backdrop and how I made both of the sides usable. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this side, the white side of the wooden backdrop, and it also has a second side which is this wooden side. So this one I kept as it is and didn't make any changes. In this video I will be showing only how I colored the backdrop with white, and also I will tell you how I put that backdrop together. I'm not showing it in the video, but if you want me to do a video on how to make this kind of backdrop, so how to put it together, let me know, because I'm making a new one soon, so I will film that for you then. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tutorials and some delicious recipes. And now, let's get started with the tutorial. I found these pieces of wood outside in front of our house, and I decided that I could use these for my backdrop because they were looking really nice. I just needed to do a couple of things to be able to use them. So the first thing was I put them together like this, like they are here now, and then I found these little wooden pieces. Well, these were actually from our previous bed, so I took them off and we put it all together by screwing this board to these boards. So these little ones on both sides is holding the other pieces together, and I just want to show it from the other side so you can see the side that I actually use at the moment. It has a really nice and beautiful wooden pattern. The only thing that I did to the boards was I sanded them. They were quite red, so the I don't know, the oil or something that this was covered with was really reddish, so I wanted to get some of that off, so I did quite a lot of sanding to get this beautiful color and this beautiful structure of the wood to pop up. And actually I was planning to paint this white, but then I really fell in love with the color of the wood, so I decided to keep it this way, but I will color the other side so that I will be able to use that as well. I got my paint here. We'll be using a little bit, so I don't want to completely cover it. I'm gonna see how it goes, how it looks, and then we'll be adding more if I need. I have my first layer done, and I don't like it like this, so I'm going to cover it completely with white. I just have to wait that it dries, and then I'm gonna put another coat on top of this one. Now that my first layer is dry, I'm going to add a second layer on top and look how it's going to look. lastly, I'm just adding some little bit more paint on the spots where I can still see the color of the wood come through. So I'm just gonna add a little bit on those spots to cover them. This depends on how you want to make the board. So if you want some of that wooden color to come through, then just leave it like it is, so less paint, and you can even sand it a little bit to get the wooden color come through better. But because mine is like this orangey color, I don't want it to come through, or I've decided as I go that I want this more white than the wooden color, so I'm just covering it. And now I'm just going to leave it to dry overnight, and then I will see tomorrow whether I need to add any more color or if I'm gonna leave it like that.